An expensive lifestyle can reveal what someone buys. It cannot reveal what they own, what they owe, or how close they are to financial trouble. Two people can drive the same luxury car. One may have strong savings, investments, and manageable expenses. The other may depend on debt and the next paycheck just to keep the car. From the outside, they look equally successful. The difference is hidden in the financial structure supporting the lifestyle. You cannot know someone's complete financial situation from appearance alone. But here are the 5 patterns that may reveal when someone's lifestyle is growing faster than their financial foundation.
Number 1. Everything is measured by the monthly payment. A common sign of financial pressure is judging every purchase by one question. How much is it per month? The car is $700 per month. The phone is $45 per month. The furniture is $100 per month. The vacation is divided into 4 payments. Each amount may appear manageable on its own. The problem becomes visible when all those payments are combined. Imagine someone finances an expensive SUV for 7 years. The monthly payment fits their budget, but the payment is only part of the cost. They also have insurance, fuel, registration, maintenance, parking, and eventually repairs. The SUV may look like a sign of wealth while quietly consuming more than $1,000 every month. Financing is not automatically a bad decision. Many financially responsible people finance cars, homes, and other major purchases. The warning sign appears when the monthly payment is the only number being considered. Someone with stronger finances usually understands the total price, interest rate, loan term, and effect on their other priorities. They do not only ask whether they can make the payment, they ask what that payment will prevent them from doing.
Number 2. Every increase in income creates a more expensive lifestyle. A raise should create more financial breathing room, but for many people, it creates new expenses almost immediately. A higher salary leads to a more expensive apartment. A bonus becomes the down payment on a newer car. A promotion brings upgraded clothing, more dining out, and more costly vacations. The person earns more, but their financial position barely improves. This is lifestyle inflation. Spending rises whenever income rises. It can make someone look increasingly successful while leaving them just as dependent on every paycheck as before. Consider 2 people who receive an additional $600 per month. The first person adds $300 to investments, saves $200, and uses the remaining $100 to improve their lifestyle. The second person takes on a new $600 monthly car payment. Both receive the same raise. One used it to create future options. The other used it to create a new obligation. This does not mean every raise must be saved. Enjoying part of a higher income is reasonable. The difference is whether your financial foundation grows alongside your lifestyle. If the visible upgrades keep improving while savings, investments, and debt remain unchanged, the appearance of wealth may be growing faster than the wealth itself. Number 3. Expensive possessions are growing, but assets are not. A person can own many expensive items without building much wealth. Cars, clothing, electronics, furniture, and vacations may improve someone's life, but most do not produce income or increase in value. Many also create additional costs. A larger home can mean higher taxes, insurance, utilities, repairs, and furniture expenses. A luxury vehicle may require more expensive insurance, tires, maintenance, and fuel. The purchase price is only the beginning. Someone may appear wealthy because they control expensive things, but if most of those things are financed, they may not own as much as it appears. A stronger financial position is often much less visible. It may include an emergency fund, retirement accounts, investments, manageable debt, or equity in a home or business. None of those receives much attention in public. You cannot photograph a paid-off credit card balance. You cannot easily show several months of expenses sitting in savings. Investments growing quietly in the background rarely attract the same attention as a new car. This is why looking wealthy and becoming wealthy can require completely different uses of money. One directs money toward what people can see today. The other directs part of it toward what will provide security later. Number 4. A normal emergency would disrupt the entire lifestyle. The clearest test of financial strength often appears when something unexpected happens. The car needs a major repair. A medical bill arrives, work hours are reduced, an appliance must be replaced. A person may live in an impressive home, drive an expensive vehicle, and wear costly clothing, but still need to borrow immediately to cover a $1,500 emergency. That does not mean they are irresponsible. Saving can be difficult, especially when someone faces high living costs, family obligations, or unstable income. But it shows that visible lifestyle and financial resilience are different. An emergency fund is boring. It does not make someone look successful. Its value appears when life becomes inconvenient, expensive, or uncertain. Savings provide time. They allow someone to solve a problem without immediately turning it into credit card debt. They may also allow someone to leave a harmful job, move for a better opportunity, or help a family member without damaging their own finances. A person with a modest lifestyle and strong reserves may have more real flexibility than someone with a much higher income and no financial margin. The second person may look richer. The first may be financially stronger. Number 5. Their financial life only works if the image never breaks. The ultimate sign is when the lifestyle has become something they must protect at all costs. At first, the spending may look like confidence. Trips, dinners, upgrades, and small luxuries that signal success. But over time, the image becomes expensive to maintain. Now they cannot easily scale back without feeling like they are losing status. They cannot drive something cheaper without feeling embarrassed. They cannot say no to expensive plans without explaining themselves. They cannot admit they are under pressure because the whole lifestyle has been built around looking like they are doing well. The person is no longer just paying for the car. They are paying to keep being seen as the person who drives that car. They are no longer just paying for the apartment. They are paying to keep the version of themselves that the apartment represents. They are no longer just taking trips. They are trying to avoid looking like they have fallen behind. Someone living broke while looking rich may feel trapped by the image they created. The lifestyle must continue, even if the numbers are becoming weaker. The bills grow, the stress grows, the pressure to maintain the look grows, and eventually the outside image becomes more successful than the actual financial life behind it. That is the ultimate warning sign. But here's the important part. These signs are more useful when applied to your own life rather than used to judge strangers. Start by calculating how much of your monthly income is already committed before the month begins. Include housing, transportation, loan payments, insurance, subscriptions, and credit card minimums. Then look at what remains. Can part of it consistently go towards savings and investments? Could you manage an unexpected expense without borrowing? Next, compare the growth of your lifestyle with the growth of your assets. When your income rises, do your savings and investments rise too? Or does every increase disappear into a new monthly payment? Looking rich can be created quickly with enough income, financing, or credit. Building financial strength usually takes longer. The most valuable part of someone's financial life may be the part nobody else can see. If you appreciate practical money lessons without the pressure or hype, you can subscribe to the Money Canvas. And tell us in the comments, what purchase do you think creates the biggest illusion of wealth? Thank you for watching.